Okay, so I got a 2006 Chevy Impala. I'm going to teach the car where the tires are. I just rotated the tires. Every time you do that, you have to teach it where the new wheel sensors are, because each tire wheel combo has its own sensor for tire pressure. It's really precise, but personally I don't like the idea because it's a lot of extra user maintenance. It's kind of a neat engineering idea to have precise tire pressure, but from a living with the system standpoint, I don't like it at all. Alright, so I turned the key on. I've got a message that says hood open because my hood's up right now, but we'll get past that. Push the information button. Scroll this until you see there's your tire pressures, and then you have press the check mark to relearn tire positions. So I'm going to push the check mark, and it's timed, so you have to do this and move your way around quickly. I'm going to push this button. It'll put it in teach mode. It'll beat the horn or something. We'll hear it in a second to say, teach mode is active. And then you start at the driver's side wheel, do the, front left, front right, right rear, left rear, and when you get done with the left rear, it'll take it out of teach mode. So let's go do that. Press the check mark. Beep, beep, beep. And the message is tire learning active. So this is timed, so we got to hurry around here. I, in advance, took the valve stem caps off, let some air out until you hear the thing beep. Okay, so it says I know where that sensor is now. Then you come over to this wheel. By the way, it's cold out here in Ohio, and that air is pretty darn cold coming out of my thumb. Out of GM, but I really think this is not a good idea. Kind of dark here. Alright, so I did all four, and it said I'm done. Now it's giving me a check tire pressure. So if I hit my information, you see it's giving me all of my messages back. Left is 20, right is 17, left rear is 28, right is 21. So turn the key off, put some air in your tires up to the correct pressure, and you are done. So every time that you move wheels around the car, I just rotated these because winter's coming. Every time you rotate tires around the car, you have to do that. I think it would have been a lot simpler to just use the ABS sensor that's on the wheel. You got a toothed ring, and just measure the differential speed between, left side and right side. If this one is running 10% more revolutions than that one over there, I must have low tire pressure. I don't really care what the tire pressure is, as long as I know that they're both the same. Then I know I don't have a problem. So if there's any GM engineers listening to this, how about putting that on the car in the future? I'd rather have that than this. Thanks.